Hey, to set alarm on your HUAWEI Watch Fit SE, first of all you have to turn on the screen by tapping on this button and now swipe down, and from here you will have to actually locate this icon above the flashlight, and when you click on it once you can add alarm. So click on the plus and here you can pick the time. So let's say that I want to get, for example, 4 a.m. and switch to AM like this. Then you'll have to click next, and from here we can set the repeat. So between the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, I want to get it, for example, only in the Sunday and Saturday. And now I can click OK to confirm, and here it's turned on. You can quickly turn it on and off by tapping on the switcher, and you can also create additional alarms. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.